Top 10 must-know facts about eye floaters. Eye floaters are a very common occurrence that many people experience at some point. Eye floaters are tiny drifting particles that appear in your field of vision and can be cause for concern or curiosity. In this video I want to share 10 essential must-know facts about eye floaters to help you better understand what they are and why they happen. First, what are eye floaters? Eye floaters are tiny particles that cast shadows on the retina, the light-sensitive tissue lining the back of the eye. These shadows create the illusion of floating specks, strands, or dots in your visual field. Second, types of eye floaters. Floaters come in various forms, including black or gray dots, squiggly lines, and spiderweb-like shapes. Their appearance can vary from person to person. Third, natural part of the regeneration. The gel-like substance within the eye, known as the vitreous, begins to liquefy and shrink. This can lead to the formation of floaters as the collagen fibers within the vitreous clump together. Fourth, causes of eye floaters. Eye floaters can also result from eye injuries, inflammation, and retinal tears. It's crucial to differentiate between harmless floaters and those that could indicate a more serious issue. Fifth, most often, eye floaters harmless. In many cases, floaters are harmless and are simply a part of the natural process, especially if you have myopia or farsightedness. Spasm of accommodation put pressure on your eyeballs and eye floaters can appear. However, if you suddenly notice a significant increase in the number of floaters or experience flashes or light, it is advisable to consult an eye specialist. 6. When to seek medical attention. If you experience a sudden increase in eye floaters, especially accompanied by flashes of light, a loss of peripheral vision, or a shadow across your vision, it could be a sign of retinal tear or detachment. Seek immediate medical attention to prevent vision loss. 7. Diagnosing floaters. An eye doctor can diagnose the cause of your floaters through a comprehensive eye examination. They may use special equipment for this. 8. How to cure eye floaters. Most harmless floaters require no treatment and tend to become less bothersome over time as your brain adjusts to them. You can do eye exercises to increase blood flow in your eyes. Eye exercises can speed up the eye floater dissolving process. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy, with step-by-step best eye exercises and relaxation techniques, and eye floater treatment natural system can help you. Link in the description below. 9. Lifestyle adjustment. Maintaining healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and eye training will help you to improve overall eye health. 10. Prevention. While not all floaters can be prevented, you can reduce your risk by protecting your eyes from injury. In conclusion, eye floaters are a common eye condition. Most of the eye floaters are harmless.